replace the screen right now, I would just clean up that frame and reuse it with the new screen. Finally, we get to see the backside of the in-display fingerprint scanner. It's got a little latch-style connector tying it into the screen ribbon cable. I'll unlock that with my plastic pry tool and very carefully pull the fingerprint scanner up and away from the back of the screen. It's very lightly adhered to the slot that it's sitting in, and it is pulling away with some of the little bits of fragile AMOLED display attached to it. You can see inside the slot the screen has different layers. The clear glass layer on the outside, and then that brownish display layer made up of tiny LEDs that I compared to a fragile potato chip. And then finally this little rectangular fingerprint scanner called the FS9500, made by a company called Synaptics. That little orange block in the center is the sensor that captures the image of your fingerprint and turns it into an equation based off of the contrasting points of your fingerprint ridges. This sensor is designed to work pretty much covered and in close range, so it's not the exact same as the colorful normal camera sensor like the one we saw inside of the LG V30 teardown. Both of the cameras are designed for different tasks, but it's still interesting to see the two sensors side by side. Thumbs up for that. Let's take a closer look at the display panel, since the fingerprint scanner essentially takes a picture through the LEDs displaying the images you see with your eyes on the phone display. The shards are semi-translucent, and you can see light through the rectangle where the sensor used to be. The only reason the rest of the display is as black as it is because of this black layer of tape covering the AMOLED panel. Without this black layer of tape, the rest of the panel becomes as translucent as the little rectangle above the fingerprint scanner, confirmed by the translucentness underneath the tape that I peeled away. Pretty fascinating stuff. Like MKBHD said in his video, you really can put that fingerprint scanner anywhere and make it as large as you want, since it just works underneath the LED panel. It'll be interesting to see how the technology improves and progresses. This is the first phone ever with an in-screen fingerprint scanner, and I imagine we'll see it more often in the future. And I'll definitely be here to show it to you from the inside. So make sure you're